Hi! Today we're checking out the JBL BandBox Trio, a powerhouse that throws out 135 watts of energy. Whether you're practicing, jamming, or rehearsing for your next gig, this one's built to bring the heat. First things first, let's unbox the Trio. Inside, you'll find a speaker, a quick start guide, and a power cable. The top panel contains all the controls you need and a full-color screen. Here we have the page controls, mixer, and channels 1 through 4. Here we have 5 knobs, the first of which also acts as a push button. The STEM AI button, which you can press to enter the AI vocal and instrument separation interface easily. The main control knob that you can navigate by rotating, then push to select a value. On the back, we have 2 TRS XLR combo inputs, 1 1/4-inch guitar input, and a 3.5mm aux-in. The first channel has a switch to select between high Z, guitar, or mic. The second channel has a switch to select mic or line, and the third channel is a fixed high Z 1/4-inch input. Channel 4 is for music playback from Bluetooth, 3.5mm aux input, or USB-C audio. We also have a 1/4-inch stereo output and a 3.5mm headphone output. Here, you also have the Bluetooth pairing button. We have a USB-C port for input and output. The port can be used to charge external devices up to 15 watts and as a connection to external phones and computers. Underneath, we also have a panel for a replaceable battery, with each charge offering up to 10 hours of playback. Changing the battery is easy using the thumb screws, so it's easy to swap out with another JBL Battery 400 to keep the music going. To begin jamming out, start by powering up the Trio. The LED indicator will show the current battery charge. The guitar is plugged into channel 3 and you can start jamming right away. Then you can connect the Trio to your phone. If it's the first time you use the Trio, Bluetooth pairing will activate automatically. If another device is already connected, you can manually pair the Trio by pressing the Bluetooth button. You can now find the speaker listed on your phone to make the connection. Next, you can use the Trio directly to start playing, but to get the most out of the product, we recommend you use the JBL One app. Scan the QR code on the Quick Start Guide to download the app. After downloading the app, you're all set to start rocking out. With the JBL Trio, you can rehearse with your bandmates, refine your guitar skills, sing along to your favorite tunes, and use AI to remove instruments for personalized jam tracks. With the 4 input channels, you can add multiple instruments and adjust individual settings. You can view your mixer settings on the screen and change the volume of each channel, or individually change the channel setting by clicking on the appropriate channel button. Adjust the volume or EQ settings by turning the knob of the setting you want to change. You can also do all these things in the JBL One app and more. Additional features, such as master output EQ, can be controlled from the app. Now we will dive into learning and practicing with the guitar. If you have an electric guitar, start by plugging it in via the guitar input. Long press the large knob and rotate to select Tuner. Use your guitar's tuning pegs and follow the direction on the top of the screen to get each string pitch perfect. You can also use the app to tune your guitar. Just go into the app, go to the tuner option, and start tuning by following the on-screen instructions. For the more adventurous guitarists, there are many different tuning options supported, including open tunings. If you're using an acoustic guitar with a pickup, no worries. Just follow the same steps. If you want to take your practice to the next level, You can use effects and amp models to really dial in the tone you want. There are acoustic guitar and bass guitar amp models available too. To shape your ideal tone, start by navigating to the input channel where your guitar is connected. Once you're in the correct channel menu, use the large dial to scroll through a variety of built-in guitar presets, each designed to give you a different character, from clean and crisp to gritty and overdriven. Found one that fits your vibe? Great! Now it's time to make it yours. Fine-tune the sound by adjusting key parameters like drive for gain and saturation, bass for low end and warmth, mid for body and presence, and other tone controls depending on the preset. Take your time experimenting to create a sound that perfectly matches your playing style and musical genre. Happy with the sound? Save it as a preset. The saved preset can easily be activated by turning the big knob on the Trio until you reach the preset. You can also tweak the effects via the JBL One app. Plug in your mic to sing along with your favorite tracks. There are built-in delay and reverb effects for singing. You can also adjust the EQ of the microphone channel. The Trio uses AI to split a song into separate stems so you can mute specific parts like vocals, drums, or guitar and practice along with the track. To get started, play your audio through the Trio and press the Stem AI button. 3 tracks will show: vocals, guitar, and others. Activate the Stem AI function by pushing the first knob. And now you can turn the desired knob to adjust the volume of each track separately. You can change the instrument to be separated easily by turning the big knob and going to the track setting. You can also use the app to remove individual stems and control how much of each you want to take out. Just follow the on-screen steps to remove the stem you need. You can even adjust the pitch of the music to suit your vocal range. You can do this both on the Trio and in the app.
Side of the track, you always take me somewhere. Then I tilt my head like a dog that doesn't understand you're gonna be coming back.
To get the most out of your Trio, dive into the full range of built-in music tools. Long press the navigation knob for about 2 seconds. You can find all the practice tools. You can use the metronome to practice keeping time and tighten up your rhythm. The drum machine has many different built-in drum styles, covering various genres for easy jamming and practice. Now onto the looper. We have 3 modes. One is a free-form looper, one plays the metronome, and one plays the drum machine. Free-form mode lets you record and play back a section of music without setting any time signature or speed. You can build your own backing track by layering a guitar riff or vocals. This is a single-track looper with up to 60 seconds of recording time and infinite overdubs. You start and stop the looper using the Trio or the app. Once your bass loop has been recorded, you can use the app to trim the silence at the beginning and end, and then commence with overdubbing. In metronome and drum modes, you have the option to set the time signature, speed, and number of bars. You will see a countdown before the loop recording starts, and the looper will automatically stop recording at the end of the loop, up to 60 seconds in length. Are you ready to share your music with the world? Record your audio with the JBL One app, or connect the Trio to a tablet or laptop and use third-party software to record the mix in stereo. You can record all music that you create on your own, but not any music streaming through Bluetooth. For multi-track recording, you can use the JBL One app to capture all 4 inputs simultaneously. Then you can share them for editing and mixing on your favorite audio software. For a bigger sound, connect the Trio to a PA system. Simply connect the pass-through connection to a larger speaker for bigger sound and experience all the same great effects and tools. The Trio speaker will continue to play along with the larger speaker. In case you are playing at home and want to keep your neighbors happy, you can go into silent practice mode. Simply plug in a pair of headphones with a 3.5mm aux jack to the Trio's headphone output. Your Trio will now only play through your headphones. You will get a notification from the JBL One app when there is new software available. Please check whether your mobile phone is a USB-C phone. If yes, please connect to the Trio with a USB-C to C cable for data transmission, and follow the instructions in the app. If you use a Lightning iPhone, you cannot upgrade Trio with a USB cable directly. Please download the software package from the app notification to a USB flash drive, and please make sure the USB flash drive is formatted to FAT32 before use. Insert the USB flash drive to the USB-C port at the back of the Trio and follow the app instructions to complete the upgrade process.